Hi guys, welcome to Excel tips. So today I'm going to show you a tip on how to create a drop-down list in Excel in what I call the 1 minute drop-down. The drop-down list is a great way to seem like a super user and to impress your colleagues, your bosses and everything. At the same time, it's a user-friendly asset in almost all custom-made Excel sheets. So how do you go about it? Let's open another tab and I'll show you how to go about it. Simple and straightforward. So first let me create my workspace here. I'll make use of these few cells here. Let me quickly highlight them so that we can easily identify our workspace here. Okay, so this is going to be our workspace. Let me increase this a bit. Do this. Okay. So say we want to select a name from several names. So maybe you have here names. And this is the text field where we want to populate the names. So what you simply need to do here is find a blank space here, populate your names. Maybe this is the first guy, the second guy, the third guy, the fourth. Okay, that's enough. So here are your names. So what we want to do is, instead of a user having to type a name each time on this text box, they'll rather pick from the available options. So this is what you do. After creating this, you want to highlight this very cell. Then you go to the data tab. Then you go to validation, data validation. Then you do data validation again. So here under the allow the validation criteria, we want to choose list. This is the list we want to choose from. Now on the source, click on the arrow here, this arrow, and the data validation, the pop-up box will come. So go ahead and highlight all these cells. Once you have them highlighted, hit the enter button on your keyboard. You see here it has highlighted our cells. Then you can do OK. Then you see this arrow here pop up here. So now you can easily click on this arrow and you can choose whatever name you want from this drop down list. And just to spice things up, you may want to come here and hide these. So how do you hide it? You can just go back to the home tab, maybe change the font color, maybe make it white. So you know the names are there, but they are hidden to the users. So that's it. That's all you need to do. Thank you.